Fits pulley hubs with diameters of 1/1/8 inch, 1/1/4 inch, 1/5/16 inch and 1/3/8 inch. Housed in a blow-molded storage case to protect and organized components. A complete set of tools required to remove and install power steering pump pulleys of most domestic vehicles. Fits pulley hubs with diameters of 1/1/8, 1/1/4, 1/5/16 and 1/3/8. Includes the necessary adapters for servicing, GM 3.1L, 3100, 3400, and 3800 V6 engines, GM 2.3L quad 4-cylinder engines and Ford 4.6L, 5.4L, and 5.8L modular V8 engines. Housed in a blow-molded storage case to protect and organize components. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for GM power steering pulley. This tool did what many others couldn't. I have been stuck installing a PSP on an '02 Corvette. Any tool I rented broke, cheaper versions bent. This one got the job done the first try and all the parts look just like they did coming out of the box.